Greetings and welcome. My name is Brian Waddy. I'm here to talk to you about my curriculum calendar. It's a curriculum map, lesson planner, and automated calendar all rolled in one. And here's another tutorial video. What if I want to start and set up my second class? Now, chances are you as a teacher have a relatively similar style from course to course that you teach, where maybe you have, you like using some of the same types of resources. And so if you just set up your first course, let's say you want to set up your second course without having to go through all the work of, oh, this is going to be, I don't want to have to change all my column names and things like that. Well, once you've kind of set up your column names for your first one, you can go to your first class and go to File, Make a Copy. And let's say my other course is Essentials of Algebra. And let's say, so this is still Fall 16, but let's say this meets on Block 3. For instance, and I could change which folder it's in. Actually, that's interesting. I think Google Drive just added that feature. And yeah, you can change where this is once it finishes loading here. It still has your other courses information in there. So yeah, so if you click on this little folder icon, you can move this item. So I don't want it in my geometry folder. I want it in my drive. Let's go down to School, BUHS. And let's make a new folder called Essentials of Algebra, right? And I'll make that folder and move it to that folder. I also used to just keep all of my curriculum documents in one folder. That's fine. They're going to be named with unique names and everything like that. So let's see. So now that I've done that, in the Details tab, it still has all of my column information. Chances are a bunch of this is going to be different because this isn't geometry now, so I might go through and say delete a bunch of this. So I'm just going to select and hit delete key and change all of that. Let's see, here we go. Where are we? All right, there we go. I probably still do introductions day one. Let's see, we can delete that. And so here I've got the same setup. However, chances are, well, I just indicated that this was going to meet on block 3. So I'd want to go back to the setup tab and change the specifics of, now this is my second, different course that I'm doing. Hopefully it's meeting the same year. Maybe you meet all year long, let's say. Let's say we meet only on certain days, the purple or white days. And let's say it meets on block 3, like I kind of indicated up there. So let's say I have block 3 during lunch too. So once I change all of that information, it will preserve for me the titles that I had earlier, and it's now pulling from the correct dates that I want. And I could go through and do whatever I want for my lessons. I don't remember what we start with in algebra, right? Probably order of operations and things like that. And you'd want to go through and create a skeleton for that course. So that's an easy way to preserve some of the same content titles and columns that you might have from class to class without having to redo it from time to time.